Hello everyone, I will be making a video of my microphone collection. Here we have a Bauer. This is the Bauer wireless microphone. These are some Chinese microphones that I got off Amazon. So we're gonna be testing them in this direction. I'm gonna start with the Bauer, then we'll go to this one. Here we have the Hollyland Lark 150 and my DJI Mic 2. So let me open the case here. So here we have my Lark 150s. Pretty cool mics, I gotta say. So let's begin. So now you're hearing the audio through the phone's microphone, and then we'll switch. So give me a second. Okay, we are now recording on the Bauer wireless microphone. So this is the audio, and so let's see how this sounds. So as you can hear, we are talking on the Bauer, and I'm hoping the audio sounds good. And then at the end, you guys go in the comments and let me know what you think and how it sounds. And now we'll switch to this one. We are now recording on the Chinese microphone. We have noise suppression on. We are going. All this is being recorded with noise suppression on. So let me know how this sounds, and let's turn on the other transmitter and see how it sounds with this one. Okay, so we have the two transmitters on now. We have the two on, and I'm hoping the audio sounds really good. So this is the microphones that are away from me. They are away from me. They are right there. So we're gonna turn one off now. So now we're running only one microphone, and I hope it sounds good. Now we're gonna switch to the Lark 150. Okay, we are recording on the Lark 150 on one transmitter now, and we're going to show you one feature that I like, and thank you. So with the Lark 150, the little button on the side here, if you press it, it will mute the audio. So if you hear me, I am talking. So as you can see, the light turned yellow, right? So as you can see, the light wouldn't turn yellow. So let's do it again. So as you saw, the light turned yellow when muted and blue when not muted. So this is the Lark 150. Now we're gonna take out the other transmitter and see how she sounds with both on. So now we have both transmitters on, and let's see, does it sound okay? Does it sound good? But both transmitters are on and recording. And so we're seeing how the audio is. And now we're gonna mute one. Okay, so now this one is muted. As you can tell by the yellow LED. So by the yellow LED, she is muted. And now we're gonna unmute. We're gonna put the transmitter down. We're gonna go to the other one now. And we're gonna mute it. So now it's muted by the yellow LED, and that transmitter is on, so you guys can hear me through that transmitter, and I hope it sounds okay. Now we're gonna unmute that one. We're gonna set him down. Now we're gonna put this transmitter back in its charging case. Okay, so now we're just down to one transmitter, and thank you, and we're switching to the DJI Mic 2 now. Okay, we are now recording on the DJI Mic 2, and we're seeing how this audio sounds. I had to redo this video because I had the receiver set to 8, and just so it's fair to the other ones, I have turned off the receiver gain and put it to a level 0, a middle. So the transmitter is at a gain 8. So let's see how this sounds. This is one transmitter. Now we're going to grab the other transmitter. Sorry. So now we are recording on 2 transmitters, so we're going to see how this sounds. So that's close up. Now we're going to see how the audio sounds and if it sounds okay with 2 transmitters. Let's see. We're going to put one transmitter here. I'm going to put one transmitter here. So now we have the transmitters away from me, and we're going to see if it sounds okay. Is the audio picking up? Okay. So now we picked up the other one, and we're going to put the other one away, which will turn it off. Okay, there we go. Now we're down to one transmitter, and I hope this audio sounds good. Have a nice day. Rate, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see other videos, go to my other YouTube channels. This is HB 1993. This is HB's mixed videos. And then if you want to see it, I don't post very much on the other channel, but you can also go to HB's Hawaii videos. And if you want to see gaming content, go to Husky Boy 1993 VR Chat Gaming, I think. But yeah, those are my 3 channels, and have a nice day.